Look at this creamy, tangy coleslaw. I'm going to show you how to make this. Welcome to All Things Food. I'm John Woods and I love to cook and I cook to love. And today we're talking creamy, tangy coleslaw. We have pretty simple ingredients. Of course, we have the star of the show, our cabbage, our slaw mix over there. Onions are totally optional. If you want to put those in, that's great. Duke's mayonnaise, and that's about 4 cups of Duke's mayonnaise. I'm a big fan of Duke. We're going to go ahead and put it right into this processor. And you can mix this by hand, but I like doing it in the processor because it just gives you a better mixture and a much creamier mixture. So there's 4 cups of that. We're going to come over here and we're going to put in about 3/4 of a cup of white granulated sugar right there. And of course we have our cider vinegar. That's 1/4 of a cup of cider vinegar. We're going to toss that right in there. And then the secret ingredient is our heavy whipping cream. We're going to put in about 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream, and this is going to give you that really creamy taste, and it's going to cut that vinegar a little bit, but it's going to be just such a beautiful thing. This will keep in the refrigerator for up to several weeks actually, but what I always do when I make this, I check the expiration date on the cream, and I try not to, I make a little note on my container, I don't keep it past the expiration date on the cream. So just keep that in mind. Put a little pepper in there. Just a little bit of salt. Get all that out of the way here. So that was about 35, 40 seconds. Now we're going to taste it and look how creamy that is. And that's the reason I do it in the blender. It just makes it so creamy, and I put that little heavy cream in there. And this is a really great dressing. Now, what I do now at this point is I taste it. If I need to add some more sugar, some more cider vinegar, we'll do it at this point. Let's go ahead and add some onions. I want some onions in this today. I'm going to add as much as I want or need. Then the remainder of this I'm going to put in a container and I'm going to save it. So if I want to make slaw again this week and the next day or two, I'm going to have that. So let's mix all that together. If you don't like slaw, you're going to like this. There we have it, folks. We have our ribs over here that we're going to eat in just a few moments. Those beautiful fall off the bone 3-2-1 ribs, the old style ribs. And then what goes better with ribs than this coleslaw? Hope you try it out. And if you like coleslaw as much as we do, it's great to make up the dressing in bulk and have it in the refrigerator so you can use it just about any time that you desire some coleslaw. Like this video today, subscribe to the channel, tell all your friends. Above everything else, remember, not only love to cook, but cook to love. And I'll see you next week on All Things Food.